Antarctica, Earth's frozen frontier. Antarctica is Earth's southernmost continent, a vast and otherworldly wilderness that surrounds the geographic South Pole. It is the coldest, driest, and windiest place on the planet, dominated by a colossal ice sheet that shapes nearly every aspect of its environment. Despite its harshness, Antarctica stands as one of the most important natural laboratories on Earth, a peaceful, contented continent devoted entirely to science and international cooperation. Geographer Antarctica sits entirely within the southern hemisphere, encircled by the powerful currents of the Southern Ocean, covering roughly 14.2 million square kilometers. It is the fifth largest continent, larger than Europe and nearly twice the size of Australia. Its landscape is a dramatic mix of ice-covered plateaus, towering mountain ranges, hidden subglacial lakes, and coastal ice shelves that extend far into the sea. The ice sheet, Antarctica's defining feature, is its massive ice sheet, which covers about 98% of the continent, stores roughly 60 to 70% of the world's fresh water, and reaches thicknesses of over 4 kilometers in some areas. If all this ice were to melt, global sea levels would rise by more than 50 meters, reshaping coastlines worldwide. Climate: Antarctica holds the record for the coldest temperature ever measured on Earth, a staggering 89.2 degrees Celsius, 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit at Vostok Station. Its climate is defined by extreme cold, ferocious katopotic winds that can exceed 200 miles per hour, and very low precipitation, making it technically a polar desert. Even in summer, coastal temperatures hover around freezing, while the interior remains brutally cold year-round. Life and environment: despite its harshness, Antarctica supports a surprisingly rich ecosystem, mostly along its coasts and surrounding waters. 2. There are no permanent human residents, but between 1,000 and 5,000 scientists and support staff live at research stations throughout the year. Native wildlife includes emperor and Adelie penguins, Weddell, leopard and elephant seals, blue humpback and orca whales, krill, the tiny crustaceans that form the foundation of the Southern Ocean food web. Pier is uniquely adapted to survive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Governance: Antarctica is governed by the Antarctic Treaty System, an extraordinary international agreement that prohibits military activity, bans mineral mining, protects the environment, and dedicates the continent exclusively to peaceful scientific research. Signed in 1959 and now supported by dozens of nations, the treaty stands as one of the world's most successful examples of global cooperation. Antarctica versus the Arctic. Though often compared, the two polar regions are fundamentally different. Antarctica is a continent of land, surrounded by ocean. The Arctic is an ocean of ice surrounded by land. This difference shapes their climates, ecosystems, and the way life adapts to each environment.